How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a kegel workout. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support, it helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So the exercise that we will be doing today is going to be the glute bridge. I know we've covered this before on the channel, but it's always good to do a basic exercise again. So this is going to be a good workout still. We will be doing 10 repetitions and we'll be taking 40-second rest periods. So you're still going to get about 100 repetitions. So let's get started right now. So we'll do 10 reps, then we'll take a break. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Make sure you squeeze your glutes at the very top. That way the exercise is more effective. The dog is in the video again, you guys. She's wearing her bandana, which says Dylan Berg Fitness on it, which is pretty cool. So another 30 seconds and we'll do it again. Okay, we'll do another 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we'll take another 40 seconds and we'll do it again. I don't know what I did with my back. My back is still killing me. It's actually very painful to do these exercises. But I'm still making a video for you guys. Another 10 seconds, then we will do it again. So we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yeah, I don't know what I did with my back. It could be all the exercises I am doing, because I do usually make, on the weekdays, I will make 9 videos per day. And a lot of the videos I make are exercise variations. So sometimes I'm doing 400 to 500 repetitions. So that definitely can put a strain on my back. Do another 10 repetitions. I'll let her out. Do another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. Dog's back. Definitely feeling it in my kegels. Make sure you guys follow along if you want to see the best results. So we're halfway done the workout. Another 5 minutes, then we are done. We'll do another 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So again, with this workout, we will be getting around 100 repetitions in, which is a lot of volume. You guys will see the benefits in your kegel muscles. Okay, we'll do another 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Most of the exercises I do on my channel are back friendly though, so I don't know what I did with my back. Okay, we'll do another 10 reps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Take a 40-second break, then we will do it again. Do another 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Have one more set after this, then we are done. All right, we'll do another 10 reps, then we are done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, end the workout. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Just like the video and share it.